Hey everyone! Welcome back to another problem-solving tutorial on the Problem Solving channel. Today, we're going to tackle a simple and beginner-friendly problem from Codeforces called Problem 231 Team. This is a great starting point if you're just beginning to learn programming, so let's jump right into it. Let's break down the problem. In this task, we're given several problems, and each problem will be solved by a team of 3 friends. Every friend gives their opinion on whether they are sure about the solution to a particular problem. If at least 2 out of the 3 friends are sure about the solution, the team will go ahead and solve that problem. Our task is to count how many problems the team will solve based on their confidence levels. So, to solve this problem step by step. 1. We first need to take the number of problems as input. 2. For each problem, we'll take input showing the confidence of the 3 friends, either 1 if they are sure or 0 if they're not. 3. If at least 2 friends are confident, we'll count that problem as solvable. 4. Finally, we'll print the total number of solvable problems. Now, let's go through the code step by step. First, we take the number of problems, n, as input using int input. We initialize a variable problem count to 0. This will keep track of how many problems the team can solve. Then, we run a for loop that will repeat n times. For each problem, we take a string as input. This string will be a sequence of 3 digits, like 101, where each digit represents the confidence of one team member. Using scount wise, we count how many of the team members are confident, how many ones are in the input. If there are 2 or more confident members, we increase problem count by 1. Finally, after the loop ends, we print problem count, which is the total number of problems the team can solve. U. This approach works because we only care about counting how many ones are in each input string, which tells us how many team members are confident about solving the problem. For example, if the input is 101, 2 members are sure, so the team can solve the problem. But if the input is 001, only 1 member is sure, so the team won't solve it. By using as.count1, we easily count the confident members and decide whether the problem can be solved. U. And that's it. We solved the problem by counting how many team members were confident for each problem and determining how many problems could be solved. Simple, right? The code for this problem is available in the description below. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials.